Ella, Jody, Kim, and Paul all leave at the same time to ride the shortest way to Jim's house. They all ride at the same speed. Who will arrive there last? So we have Ella, Jody, Kim, and Paul all going to Jim's house here. So we need to calculate the shortest distances for each person. So, looking at Ella, she would have to go 4.5 plus 3 to travel 7.5 to Jim's house. Next, looking at Jody, she would have to travel 3 plus 2 plus 3 to give us a total of 8 kilometers to get to Jim's house. For Kim, all she has to do is ride 3 kilometers, and Paul has to ride 2 plus 3, which is 5. So if they all ride at the same speed, this means that Jody, with the longest distance to travel, would arrive there last, and so the answer is B.